The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Brett, Barry, Ed, Dennis, guys, good morning. Happy Thursday, fellas. Thank you, Dennis. Almost almost the end of the first month of the year. Lita, good morning. Chris as well. Good morning, guys. Today is January 30th, last day of the month tomorrow. Michael, good morning. As a reminder, Monday will begin a new trade room link. All right. So you guys will have to log in. I'll have it to Sean tomorrow, and it'll be in the member area shortly after the room opens. You guys will have to log into the member area and retrieve the link sometime before Monday's room open. All right. Hope everyone had a good afternoon. Yesterday's FOMC was somewhat uneventful. Not a ton of movement. A lot of movement in a relatively small range, but in any event, we'll see what we get today. Usually, the FOMC is the overreaction, and the day after is the normalized reaction to what Powell had to say. He has walked back some of his hawkish statements. In any event, let's move forward. By the way, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. NASDAQ, 82,000 contracts have traded. So volume is better than average, 68,000 being average at 8 a.m. We do have a small positive delta of 400 contracts. Nothing majorly exciting. As far as news, I know we're going to have continuing and initial jobless claims and natural gas, annualized GDP. I don't see any Fed speakers, none scheduled. After the close, we have Apple. Yesterday we had some earnings. Tesla missed. That I know. In any event, let's get on with it. See if we can find something here. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for. I do not have a Discord, Brandon. No. The licensing system that I have only allows for one license. Now, if somebody wanted two licenses, I would work a deal or something like that. I mean, that's for all of my indicators, right? The algo and all of it. The bot now, right? When I was So when Joel did my licensing, Joel is with Ninja Trader Ecosystem, and they allow for two. Here's a $700 runner, guys, if anybody is holding still. We're going to break structure again at that 10. We come down through that structure, that would be another short. And Joel had it for two. My licensing is custom built. I'm not using Ninja Trader Ecosystem. So the licensing that I use is custom, and it only allows for one. Now, if somebody wanted a second license, I mean, I could do it, and at a discount. But most people don't need two licenses. I mean, I got an email from one of the members the other day. I haven't heard from him in a while. With the order flow, and hey, my kid wants to learn to trade. I want to, let him have an order. I mean, that's not the purpose of two licenses. Is not to be giving them to other people, right? It's for people that say, hey, I have a desktop and maybe a laptop or an office computer and a home computer. All right, that's cool. But it's not for friends and family. Yeah, you can do that, Brett, but not everybody has a VPS. I just ordered we could bounce back to VWAP at 31. All right, I'm going to kill this trade here. I'm watching this. Next 15-minute bar is not for 4 minutes. All right, I'm flat. Now that trade works on any time frame. So if the 1 minute, pushes back up near 39, you can take another short, but your stop is here. It's a big stop. Yeah, absolutely. The order blocks are awesome. There were sellers or buyers.
Trading underway on the NYSE. The Dow up about 10 points. The S&P up 23. The Nasdaq Composite is up 65. Trading gets underway.
They're still buying them. Still buyers. I think we're going up. Still buying them. That positive is increasing. Jesus, 400 buyers in this bar. We're at 1,500. This is, I think, a long, guys. I don't. I mean, I just don't see this short. There's too many buyers.
Order filled.
That's the bot. Long on the bot.
Target filled.
Target filled. It's all buyers, guys. Target 1 filled. It's all buyers. Needs to get target 2 filled. This thing has to get above 66 here. It's going. We're at 2,200 buyers. Back-to-back bars of over 1,000 buyers.
I'm going to watch this 475 if it reverses up here.
Reporting their December statewide gaming
475 on what?
NQ 60475.
60475.
Correct.
Okay. New bar.
Stop filled.
Okay. They're selling them. Got to break 23.
Target filled.
All right, target 1 is hit.
I'm going to take some off at 10. I'll add in.
Add in at 04.
Yes.
We're back into this support here. They got to sell them here. Got to get below that 16. And now I think it comes. There it goes. Wee-haw, fellas. Wee-haw.
Good trade.
15-minute is back to that breakdown area. Yeah, if it gets below that little tag 04, I think it goes, as Greg said, here comes that 91.
Targeting 88. Another target.
I moved my stop down to 15 quarter. So for those of you guys that have the indicator, we took a rejection trade on the 15-minute. Now we've taken a break of structure trade.
Bill will cut costs for companies by 35%.
This breaks the swing low. I'll drop my stop down to 11.5.
Stop filled.
Okay, out. It's locked in 20. $3,000 buyers.
Yeah, I have it slipped into longs now.
So do I.
Oh, great.
Above that 68 area.
Yeah.
We are now headed,
Target filled.
got all 3 targets. ES is going to break out here above 15.5. That might be the high of the day. It is.
We're a little more than 15 minutes into
You're going to get a break of structure here.
Equity valuations move higher, led by the Nasdaq up 124 points, the Dow up 77, the S&P.
We're breaking structure on the 15-minute.
European equity markets remain well in the positive territory with the CAC on up 0.75%. That puts you up 0.6%. A lot of moving parts. We heard from the ECB largely in line with the expectation, cutting by 25 basis points and indicating further cuts are ahead this year.
Let me see this hourly.
Corporate news out after the close last night and this morning as well, with Meta, Tesla, IBM, some of the standout movers today.
So a little bit of support here. We should come 55. We should come to 55 from here. If anybody wants to hold out, and if 55 breaks, 31, 32. Easy peasy, fellas. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Another big winner. If you ain't making money, you ain't trading. There's 55. We're into that buy zone. I'm getting a little bit of lag. 63.
I don't know where your stop is at, but I think you want it down at least to 77.
Trade deficit of 1.38 billion. It's Columbia.
I'm at 82. I went to 79.
Broke at 77.
Stephen, they are in about half a minute. Expected 0.0%.
Nice job, Mark.
0.2% year over year.
Is there anybody not making money, guys? We have to break down below 54 if we're going to keep coming.
Minus 5.5% month for month.
Oosh.
0.0% expected. The year over year at minus 2.9%.
All right, now we
Order filled.
4.2% expectation.
now
Order submitted.
ES is short on the algo,
Target filled. Stop filled.
and we're short on the bot. I can't move it. There it is. Bot got target one only. It's up 1,000. Got a $700 runner here, fellas. 32 next target. 33 that area for me. I think you can drop your stop down now to 69. Nice job, Andrew. Now, if we drop below that low at 40, I'm going to drop my stop to 57. They're still selling them, not aggressively anymore. As long as we don't take out that swing here at 58 quarter, 58, I'm going to drop my stop down if we take out that low at 39.75. We went up through. That'll be my stop if we put in a lower low. Josh, I cannot do that now, buddy. Seriously, man. I'm not giving you a hard time, but I'm in a trade and I'm trading. I can't help you. Not now. You'll have to wait till the room closes and then I'll log into your computer, man. I'm not, and I don't want you to think I'm angry or anything. I'm not. This is just not the time.
Brazil President Lula saying if Trump issues tariffs on Brazil, there will be reciprocity.
Ooh, Brazil's getting ballsy. If Trump issues tariffs on Brazil, there will be reciprocity. All right.
No more bikini waxes.
Order canceled.
Brazil, how did that happen? $50. Am I getting lag? Brazil will no longer be sending models here.
Yeah.
We have a $1,500 runner, guys. 1,700. Anybody short?
600's a target here.
Guys, I'm like literally 30 handles behind. We're at 90, 88. $2,000 runner. I don't even know where I'm at. Thanks, Ninja.
71.
Good God almighty, man. Seriously, look at this. Good God almighty. I'm so far behind, it's not funny on Ninja. My guess is it's Apex, actually, not Ninja. Guys, I'm 35 handles behind. Anybody still holding? I got a loser on the 500 tick simply because we have another bot trade, simply because of the delay. There's the bot. Let me see what it did on the. No, it was a winner on the 500 tick on Buell Knox.
Target filled.
No problem. All right, the bot is now up 29.25.
Hey, Bob, can you pull that back up? Do you mind?
Not at all.
Your bot?
Yeah.
Can you expand that?
Yeah.
Go back to the, what, 9/50th? Oh, there
Nine
it is.
what?
Oh, no, I got it. I'm looking right at it. Oh, shit. Yeah, short at 710. Right? Oh, but it had you in longs at that point, didn't it?
Well, it wouldn't have taken a trade, just that the secondary filter was still long.
Okay.
But it wouldn't have taken a trade long. It's only up $3,000. Can I shut it off?
Yeah. No, not critiquing it. I was just looking to see how it lined
No,
up.
I'm asking anybody in the room. You guys seen another? You guys seen enough?
Order filled.
Order filled on something. Order filled where?
Order submitted.
500 tick now. I don't know if this data is accurate. It's not. I'm getting lag.
Target order canceled.
This is lag, guys, because price is at 81. It's the same, Doctor. Same.
Lula saying that he does not have a meeting set with Trump, but they
Subfilled.
might end up meeting at a multilateral event.
All right.
Order filled.
I close that out. Let me just see something here, guys.
Canceled.
Another winning trade here.
Well, that was worth the wait.
Yeah, man. There you go. And up 14.05 on Buell Knox on 3 contracts on the 500 tick. Here it comes again. Let me see. Bigger time frame. We're just pushing the hourly cloud. Here comes the low of the day again.
Order canceled.
All right. Up 36.50. Again, that's on 5 contracts, but wow. On Buell Knox, it got all 3 targets, guys. Up 21.70 on 3 contracts. All 3 targets hit, including that 100 tick third target.
The Dow is at 90, the S&P up 14, the Nasdaq Composite is.
Dude, is that 500 tick not stupid? $5,300 today. Ken's up 44.25 on the 500 tick. I don't want to spend $5,000, Mr. Wizard. Greg and I both thank you, Brett. And Ken shut it off before the last trade. Mark, me either. I just pulled out the bot, the original bot, because I had a group of guys that wanted to see it. I haven't traded it in a year, but for purposes of the video, Algo 3.1 is up 150. Looks like it had another winning trade. Algo 3.2 is up 385. Algo 3.3 is up a whopping and staggering $70. ES Algo up 637.50. The 500 tick on the Algo is up $5,340. That's staggering. And the original bot, for the benefit of the trials, was up 3,050 again today, guys. It's just killing it. Just the Ninja 24 with 1 minute. So hang on, let me write this down. 20/4, 1 minute. Target 1 is 0.5. 1.25 and 2.25, 1.25, 2.25, and your trailing stop is 2.0. That's for ES, guys. I'll build one. I'll run it tomorrow. For the video, I'm at 4,865 discretionarily trading the market structure indicator. I'll see everybody tomorrow to wrap up the week, fellas. Once again, tomorrow is the last day of the link.